Hello, Barry from Streamline. Today in this video we're going to introduce the new Eco 700 litre tank. This is the latest introduction to the Eco tank range. This one behind us here is the 700 litres, the latest V16 version with all the features and benefits that comes with. This is a very neat and compact unit and very easy to install. It has a full fixing frame around the base of the tank, making it secure and safe. 700 litres of water. This is primarily designed for delivery system, but it has the option of an additional DI as well. The DI filters are contained inside the cabinet, along with the latest lithium-ion removable batteries, so there's no need for a complicated split charge relay system to be installed. You can simply disconnect your battery, no tools required, and remove the battery, take that inside and charge it overnight. That will give you a good 8 hours runtime. Other features on this system: it comes complete with two 100-metre hose reels. They're both very heavy-duty hose reels, installed, complete, ready for use. The pumps and the DI filtration is all contained within the cabinet, so that it's all neat and compact. The system also has a site level gauge on the side, so this will show you the level of water. This is a great system for dual operator, either when you're using a pure water filling station or where you're in a soft water area, the DI resin, or both together. Great system. That's it for now. We'll see you next time.